What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have the HART Brushless Orbital Jigsaw. Now, I bought this, of course, from Walmart. We are going to get into this right now. So what you do is you put your blade in. You got to lift up on the blue. So I hope y'all can see this. You see how I'm lifting up on the blue? You got this little wheel here. That's where the blade sits. You have to lift up. All right, don't just turn and try to configure it in. Turn, lift up a little bit, put your blade in, lock it, and it's good to go. You can slide this black part, in which I should have showed y'all that first, but you can slide this black part right here, and you could cut in 45-degree angle if you want to. All right, you guys, so this is my first time doing this type of shelf. So what I'm going to do is hang my drill gun. We need to make some mark, and hopefully I'm doing this right. Once again, saw this on Instagram. What we're going to do is make a slot for our handle. Trying to get close, a little bit close to the edge. That way I can fit more guns on here. Now this is my pilot one, so y'all don't make fun of me. Look like everybody just put it on like that. So hopefully I could do that, but if I do that, it might bump into the back of the drywall. So I'm just gonna go to right here. All right, now, what I'm gonna do is get my square. Got my square. What I'm going to do is, there. All right, found my line. It's a couple lines, but let's work with this line that's a little bit further back. Got my straight line there, line here, line there. All right, and there goes my first slot. And the moment y'all been waiting for. Y'all want to see this thing work. And, oh, okay, here we go. Got plus. Oh yeah, that's definitely the speed right there. All right, so that's all the way at the bottom, and this is all the way top. Be back, you guys. I need to get a clamp. And yeah, I need to get a clamp. All right, you guys, now we got our clamp in. And I'm not struggling to cut this now. Well, I hope I'm not going to struggle to cut it. Let's go ahead and get into it. Actually cuts pretty good, you guys. I do have the speed on maximum. Let me put it on minimum and check it out. No, minimum, I will die right here. Get back on maximum. All right, so I'm at 0 orbital and I couldn't turn it. So let me go ahead and put it on 3 orbital and see what happens. And 3 orbital definitely turns pretty good. Now, once again, don't do what I'm doing. All right, you guys, so I did struggle with that one a little bit. I am going to do this a little bit more professional. All right, so let me go ahead, go to my table over here, and let's get professional. And that's what a full orbital looked like. Now, I know this was kind of rough, you guys, but my table was not stable and I was going everywhere. So I am going on a working table, all right? Let's go ahead. Let's go over here. Let me bring y'all up to reality. Set y'all back a little bit. Not a real setback, but it's a setback. Move all this crap out my way. And now, and once again, you guys, I haven't used a jigsaw in a long time. My old jigsaw, I don't even know, I might have thrown it away, but my old jigsaw is just too old for me. All right, you guys, so we are going to see what the first one looked like. And I love this. I love this right now. This is so awesome. I did kind of want this a little bit more over this way, but no, that's what I get with that. Let me grab this, and then I'm gonna do the same thing, you guys. Same concept. Get a pencil, and my pencil. Try to get, oh, let me get my other drill gun. All right, you guys, let me see about my DeWalt, which has a flatter bottom. So I think I may be able to go further in. I think I could go further in with this, but it looks like I'm aligned with the back, which will hit the drywall, and I don't want that. So I'm gonna stay where I'm at. All right, so I want this to be right here, to right there, to right here. All right, grab my little square. This is a little cool square too. It's a Milwaukee. Got it from Home Depot, of course. It's a nice little one. Right there, right there. All right, you guys, I'm gonna try this again. Now, once again, when I did this, when I had the orbital on 0, it did not want to turn. When I put the orbital on 3, it did some good turning. So right now, I'm gonna put the orbital on 1. Now, when you change the orbital, let me go to this side real quick. When you change the orbital, you can see the middle adjust. Well, the blue part, you see the blue part adjust? Okay. I'm gonna go to orbital 2. All right, orbital 3. This was orbital 1, orbital 2, orbital 3. All right. Now, once again, don't do what I did. I was lifting up too fast. I didn't wait till the blade stopped and didn't get up, but you know, kind of just doing this and watching out for bees at the same time, because I don't feel like getting stung today. All right, you guys, so I got my holes cut. Now I got my practice in. All right, I am getting better. Now I think I'm ready to cut out for my sink for my basement bar now. Looks pretty cool. All right, let me finish this shelf. All right, got that done. I just put 2 screws on the top. I'll finish this project maybe tomorrow, something like that, because I need to put the rest of the shelves on. But I just want to do a quick overview. All right, you guys, and we got the final results of the, I guess you would call it the driver shelf. So here you go. Everything is in its place. I would say for my first time, I didn't do too bad. I was kind of wonky on my little jigsaw experiment. But there I go, I hung up my chargers. Now with these chargers, I am going to put a piece of board. I'm going to get maybe like a 2x12, not a 1x12. I'm using that for my panels or whatever. I'll get a 2x12. If I have any spare, I'll put it from here to here, and then I'll hang up all of my other chargers that I have. But other than that, that is it. The jigsaw did its justice. And until then, I'll catch y'all on the next video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. It's cutting on us. Freaking beast. Get. Where is it? Oh, that bee is going to die, y'all. That bee is going to die. All right, summertime is back.
Hey, this spray.
Okay. He want to play games with me. Bee was on my hand, you guys, and I don't want to get bee stung. Here goes that bee again. There you go again. Y'all see him? Y'all see him? He's playing games with me, knowing that I'm doing my review. Oh, I got 2 bees in this house, in this garage. Okay, all right. Okay. They're made.
Right there. It's coming in.
They made him over there. Hey! Huh? Get out of here. You know what? You know what? Okay. I told you to do what? Alright, you guys. While we product reviewing in a product review, make sure you get one of these. It's an electric fly zapper. It works with these two. That's what you get. That is what you get. Alright, you guys. So, doing a review on a bug zapper. Don't have the name brand of this bug zapper, but get yourself a bug zapper. I will put a link into all bug zappers that you could possibly get. Because the bee is on the ground right now. He's right there. Right there. He is dead. Sorry. Sorry. I had to put that on YouTube. Oh, there he go again. There he go again. Okay. Another one want to play games with me. Okay, come on. All right. We're there to fight another day.
I have a riddle.
A riddle?
A riddle, yeah.
A riddle?
Yeah.
What's the riddle?
Alright, repeat after me. Blue.
Blue.
Red.
Red.
Yellow.
Yellow.
What color is my shirt?
Green.
Repeat after me. What color is my shirt?
What color is your shirt?
What color is my shirt?
What color is your shirt? You want me to say what color is my shirt?
Yes.
Oh, what color is my shirt?
Okay.
Is that what?
I was trying to trick you to say green, and then I'll keep on saying it until you actually repeat.
Oh, okay.
What doing?
Making a shelf real quick.
Okay, bye.
Look. He thought he was going to get me with that little riddle.